Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the best home decor tips and ideas. Today, we're diving into creating the ultimate family room with modern furniture. Whether you're hosting a movie night or just enjoying time with loved ones, these design tips will help you craft a space that's as stylish as it is functional. Let's get started. The first step in decorating your family room is to define the layout. Think about how your family uses the space. Do you need an area for entertainment, lounging, or perhaps a spot for kids to play? A neutral color palette is the hallmark of modern design. Shades of gray, beige, and white create a calming and timeless look that you can easily accessorize. To keep your modern family room cozy and inviting, incorporate textures like soft throws, knit cushions, and layered rugs. These touches add warmth and personality to the space. In a family room, functionality is key. Opt for furniture with hidden storage or modular pieces that can adapt to your family's needs. Lighting can make or break the mood of a room. Choose a statement piece like a modern chandelier or floor lamp to add a touch of sophistication. Make the space uniquely yours by adding personal touches like family photos, art pieces, or travel souvenirs. Just remember to keep it minimal to maintain a modern vibe. Plants are a great way to bring life into your family room. Choose low-maintenance options like succulents or fiddle-leaf figs to keep the space fresh and vibrant. Modern family rooms often feature integrated technology. Consider adding smart speakers, hidden cable solutions, and a sleek TV setup for a seamless look. And there you have it, our top tips for creating a family room with modern furniture that's both stylish and practical. Which idea will you be trying in your space? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.